go. I want to throw a load of wood here on Old Blue. Sitting there bucking up today. This is setting that Tater and Roger had cut. Had a lot of big wood on it. I'm bucking up and loading trucks out. All by myself. I'm a big boy today. I like to wipe my old booty. So, I'm going to put a load on Old Blue real quick. Let you guys ride along for that. I don't think I've got a load on Blue yet. Boy, there's some big wood in here. Big old wood. Old Blue's just a 2-bunk trailer. So I load 14s and 16s on Old Blue. That way I get my weight and footage all in the same hand. Come on, baby. Boy, today is a good old day. We ain't been loading for seemed like a month. It's been rained out for the past 3 days. Junkyard said it's 11 o'clock. It's dinner time. I ain't got my dinner with me. I ain't been to the woods since Saturday. Tater went up there to that Indiana hardwood thing, that log show up there. We stayed here and worked. And then we got rained out Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday I stayed at the sawmill. Did a little grinding with the grinder. Come on, baby. Just a hammering down today. Yeah! Sitting in the wrong spot to load my back. Why is that one there hanging out so far? Get up there. Get up there where you belong. I need to scoot back. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Did I tell everybody today's a good day? From now on, like here on out the rest of the summer, every morning I get up, all I picture is deer season. Deer season. Deer season. I've been contemplating on getting another squirrel dog and doing a little squirrel hunting. I ain't got enough time for it, but I've been thinking about it. Sucker's got 2 foot of sweep on it. Yeah, pretty long. Oh yeah! Looking pretty. I can't believe I done that. That was from last week. What the hell was going on there? But that there's a ain't that sexy? All right, let me pull it up out of the way.